See how I knew he couldn't get to it.
Flaps up.
This will be a fun plane. I'll do it really slow too when we fly it in the gorge. Just hoping for no wind or it won't work very well. Because I haven't flown this plane in a while. See this is all rudder control. See, just rudder. See how it goes back and forth. And then if you want to flip it, that's ailerons. That's what. I wasn't expecting your dog to be here. Because she was just outside, so she didn't need to be coming back out. But that's all right. I'll figure it out. Daly will hold on to her. Oh yeah, here's a loop for her poops. We'll do double. Yay! And then up. That's a stall. Oh, da da da. Wind! This is gonna be hard to land. I'm gonna try to attempt to land now. Yeah, I saw that. Yep. I'm coming in. I need you to hold her. Oh, you got munch? Oh boy. Oh, this is gonna suck trying to land this thing.
Take off flaps.
Holy moly. Oh. All right, guys. Don't be on the landing strip for this. Gonna have to do it again. Holy wind. Holy wind. Coming over again. Gonna try to land. Oh!